Hello everyone, welcome to all of you my YouTube channel English World Easy. I hope all of you are doing well, and this is my day 20 videos of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. And my name is Nikita Mahato. First of all, I have completed my 75 minutes daily task, and in this video I speak. Today topic is how to speak along without any partner. It's a big problem any beginner. It's a big problem how to speak without any partner at home. Today video is especially I tell to you how I do my speaking practice without any partner. How I what kind of activities in daily routine. You know, I did from morning to night any work you think in mind in English, because we do any work that is a past activities. जितने भी हम लोग अभी से जितने भी हम लोग काम कर चुके हैं वो सब हमारे पास्ट एक्टिविटीज़ होते हैं। जैसे मैं सुबह उठी, मैंने पूजा कर लिया, मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया, ये सब हमारे पास्ट एक्टिविटीज़ हो गए। तो यही सब हमको इंग्लिश से सोचकर बोलना होता है। ये इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस, स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस डेली लाइफ में करना पड़ेगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो टुडे आई वॉक अप 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I drank 1 glass of water. Then I got fresh up. Okay. After that I cleaned my room and I washed my room with water. Okay. Then I took shower and I was ready for worship. Then I worshipped God. After that I did exercise. Then I made healthy breakfast and then I had breakfast and I read the newspaper. After that I did some work with my mother. Then I had lunch. Then I used the phone and rest at least 1 hour. So there are some activities of our daily life, and this is the past activities. Okay, you can speak, you can practice without any partner. That is a very beneficial for beginner, because I am also beginner. In my opinion, this is a very useful for everybody. That's all. Thank you for watching my video.